We are going to be discussing chemical symbols in this video. We've once learned about them under element, compound, and mixture. So let us look at some details about them. Now, we already know our elements. I will advise you to learn the element from 1 to 30. That is, you learn from hydrogen down to zinc. That's from 1 to 30. It's very important. So if you don't know that, you have to learn this. Now, the shorthand representation of elements is what we call what? Symbol. That is the shorthand representation. That is, if I want to write hydrogen now, instead of me to write the hydrogen fully, like hydrogen, so the shorthand representation of hydrogen is just what? H. You see, the use of the letters of the alphabet as chemical symbol was a work based on John Basilius. That is, the person that invented the use of the letter of English alphabet as chemical symbol was who? John Basilius. Are you there? Good. Some textbook will put S, John Basilius, so whichever way. Now, and the rule is that whenever you are writing chemical symbol, you see there are some elements that their chemical symbol are single letter, while there are some elements that what their chemical symbol are double letter. Some are triple letter, but here I'm looking at one of single and double letter only. If it's a single letter element, the first one, the single letter must be capital letter. Symbol of hydrogen like this, H, is very wrong, but this is correct. Let's look at element like helium. Element like helium. The chemical symbol of helium is He. Are we together? So this is correct, but something like this is not correct. Why? Whenever the chemical symbol is a double letter, the first one have to be capital letter, the second one have to be small letter. That is it. So element like this symbol like this is wrong, but this is correct. Let's go and let's look at calcium. Let's look at calcium. This is Ca. Are we together? This is Ca. The first one should be in capital letter, the second one have to be in what? Have to be in small letter. Are we together? That is it. So this is correct. So that's how to write what? Chemical symbol, and that's all. And take note of a particular rule. The rule is that no two elements have the same chemical symbol. Are we together? No two elements in this world have the same chemical symbol. Everybody check. If I say magnesium, the chemical symbol for magnesium is what? Mg. But look at this one, manganese. You can see that the symbol resemble. This chemical symbol is what? Mn. They cannot have the same chemical symbol. That is it. And take note that what? A chemical symbol, that is a chemical symbol. A chemical symbol represents one atom. How many atom? One atom. Are we together? Good. Whenever you hear what? One atom in chemistry, a chemical symbol represents one atom of the element. For example, look at H. H is what? One atom of hydrogen. For now, take note of atom as what? Atom is the smallest particle of an element that can always exist alone. All together. So this is what? One atom of the element. Okay, good. So atom, the smallest particle of an element. So this is it. One atom of hydrogen. If I say Ca, this is what? One atom of calcium. Are you there? And so on like that. Why there are some chemical symbols that they are gotten from their Latin name. I think I've listed them for, so let me just list like two. For sodium and for potassium. Remember that for sodium, the Latin name is natrium and the chemical symbol is Na. While for potassium is kalium and the chemical symbol is what? Ordinary K. Are you there? So this is everything under what? Chemical symbol, and thanks for watching.